What are your thoughts on
blockchain? So you're going to ask me about blockchain. It's the topic of the day. We can't get enough of it. I mean, you turn on a financial news and there's a ticker for blockchain on one of the major exchanges, the Coinbase exchange in San Francisco. It's something that I've really educated myself about a lot, and I've spoken to some really smart people all over the country about it. I think it's important to understand what it is, just that blockchain and cryptocurrency are actually two different things, and that blockchain is really more like the operating system of the cryptocurrency. Highly speculative. I can't recommend to anybody to purchase a particular cryptocurrency, except to say that just only invest what you can afford to lose. It's a very strange but very exciting time to have crypto and blockchain. I think it's fascinating. I'm more enthusiastic about the blockchain technology and potential applications for the benefit of literally of mankind. Right now it's very early days, and we really just, as an industry, we really don't know where this goes and how best to do it, but there are lots of companies that are publicly traded that have something to do with blockchain, and those could be a better way to get involved in the space and still be in, quote unquote, real companies.
What are your thoughts on the blockchain technology itself?
You're really asking me because you're dying to buy this stuff, aren't you? You're really, well, like I said, I think blockchain has tremendous applications for financial services, fantasy football, gaming, shopping, marketing. These are very early days. Can humankind survive today without blockchain technology? I would think so. But you could have said that 20 years ago about the internet. Could mankind survive without the internet today? If you said that in 1997, the answer would probably be yes. But you couldn't say that today.
Yeah.
Could we survive without our Amazon Prime account? I don't know how. So I will probably say that about blockchain technology. But just in case, I'm going to invest in, if I really want exposure to the space, I'm going to invest in the companies who I think will develop the technology, as opposed to being in the Wild West right now with what everybody's doing with the cryptocurrencies.
And I know a lot of my friends are curious and participating in it. Any advice just on how to keep your emotions intact?
I've been in the industry for 28 years, so I've seen a few bubbles now. And I see how people get, and when people's confidence runs amok, I think people become a danger to themselves, and it's hard to talk people out of it.
Yeah.
There are a few people I'm connected with, in particular on LinkedIn, who really know what they're talking about, and I find that they have sound reasoning. But even they will be the first ones to tell you that this is the Wild West, this is a FOMO market, and intelligence has taken a back seat. This is a speculator's market, and who can speculate first wins. You don't want to be the last one to speculate. You want to be the first one, or somewhere, you want to be early, not late.
Yeah, definitely. And just switching over now, what are your views on the passive versus active issue going on?
The really good thing about passive is that investors, when they're passive, they're not really looking at the components of a passive investment. They're just buying the whole box. I'll take the box and everything in it. The good thing for everyone is that there is so much money going into passive. It is such a strong attraction now. It's the trade of the day, in a sense, that it's lifting all boats. And I think there are probably quite a few, my feeling is there are quite a few stocks that wouldn't be up as much as they are had it not been for all that passive money pushing everything up. This is about bringing the right portfolio to the right client. I'm sure there are people who are suitable for passive and there are people who are suitable for active. But I know one thing from a compliance perspective in my industry, I'm talking about the advisory investment side, working with public clients, is that you can't treat everybody exactly the same. You have to make the effort to ascertain what makes a client fearful or not, what's their risk tolerance.
Thank you so much for the time in the interview.
Thank you.
And yeah, I welcome you back anytime.